Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a LeetCode 125 valid palindrome using the two pointers approach in Java. Read this question. First of all, a phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letter into a lowercase letter and removing all non-alphanumeric character, it reads the same forward and backward alphanumeric characters, include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return a true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. What First of all, explain this problem. We are given a strings and we have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. But there are two important conditions. Ignore all special character and space. Ignore all uppercase and lowercase letter. For example, first, like this, a palindrome return true and not return false. Approach. Instead of creating a new string, we use two pointers. The left pointer starts from the beginning, the right pointer starts from the end. Now, if the left character is not a letter or digit, we simply move the left pointer. Similarly, if the right character is not a letter or digit, we move the right pointer. After that, we convert both characters to lowercase and compare them. If they are different, we immediately return false. If they are same, we move left forward, right backward. We repeat this process until both pointers meet. If all characters match, we return true. And first write the code, initialize the pointers. Int left equal to 0, int right equal to s dot length minus 1 using a while loop. Left is less than right. This loop run until both pointers meet. Again using a while loop. Left is less than right and not character dot is letter or digit. S dot char at of left and left move forward. This condition using the skip spaces and special characters from the left side. Same using for a right. First copy and paste and change right, right move backward, right move backward using a if condition. Check equal or not. Character dot is dot to lower is s dot char at left not equal character dot to lower case s dot char at of right return false and left plus plus right minus minus left plus plus right minus finally return true. Execute this code. All test cases are passed. Submit the code. This code is time complexity big of n and space complexity of big of 1. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.